Go to canva.com/colors. Once you get to this page, click on Color Palette Ideas. Here, Canva gives you a whole bunch of color palette combinations that you can choose from. You can search for a specific theme. Let's say, for example, I'm designing something for a party. I can type in party. And let's say I like this one, party balloons. And let's say, okay, I like this color palette here. So I'm just going to go ahead and say use palette. And now Canva has imported all of the custom colors for this palette here. So I can design a template using this color palette. So let's say on the right hand side, I want to go with this template, for example. I can add it as a new page. And let's say I want to change the background color to one of these colors in this color palette. I can click on background color and I can simply choose one of these colors here. And these colors are reflected in the palette that I just chose. And you can do the same with the rest of the elements on this invitation. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.